Should I keep the cash and accept it as a gift from the universe? Hi, I'm Andy from Tarot Reading Today, and has been sent this question by a lad who's got a bit of a dilemma on. So I was going to read the question out to you, then we're going to give him some clarity on it. Alright Andy, here's the crack. I'm a mechanic. I recently bought a beat up old car from an estate sale. The old guy who died had no will and he has no family. So my dilemma is this: I found 15k of cash inside the car in a concealed compartment in the boot. Now should I open up my own business with the 15k, or should I hunt down any distant relations he might have and give it to them? I need some clarity and some help. So let's think about this. What's legally, it's his. He bought it fair and square at the auction, so it is legally his. But the lad's got a bit of a conscience here, so let's see if we can help him out. I'm going to do a 3-card spread for this one. I'm not going to do it, assign the cards, it's just going to be freestyle. So the first card that I've drawn for this one is the 10 of Cups reversed. So we'll turn it right way up first, and it shows you, there's the Cups, happy families, isn't it? This is the happy families card, isn't it? So if he gives it away, it's going to be left feeling good about himself, isn't it? That's what it says to me. But the card's reversed. So if he gives that cash, if he just finds the relatives and gives it away, he's not going to be left feeling happy and satisfied. He's going to feel a bit disgruntled and a bit miffed because they didn't even know the guy. They never bothered with him or anything. You know, they weren't bothered whether he died or not. They didn't know he existed. So why should they have the cash? And then the next card I've drawn is the 10 of Pentacles reversed. Now then, let's turn it up the right way for a while and let's take a look at this. This is all the money, right? Now, as I see it here, this is everybody crawling out of the woodwork. The dogs are people crawling out of the woodwork. You've got the old empty building behind. That was the old guy's home. Empty now. Nothing there. But all these people have found out that there's possibility of money, and they're crawling out of the woodwork and all coming begging for it. So, but the 10 of Pentacles is telling him it's reversed. Don't let them have it. It's not theirs. It's your money, not their money. The old guy didn't want to give them it. If he'd wanted them to have it, he would have given it to them. Maybe he wanted the person whose car it was to have the cash. Who bought the car. So the final card, the clarifying card, is the 2 of Cups upright. Now, I see this clearly. Like the nose on my face. It's as plain as the nose on my face. This is a gift being lowered from the universe. This is the answer to his question. Accept the gift from the universe. Be happy. Go ahead. Start your business. And don't look back. So there you are. My advice is, don't go giving this money to any family. It's not going to make you feel happy if you do. You're only going to feel disgruntled and miffed afterwards. They didn't deserve it. The old man never wanted them to have it. I guess he wanted the person who was going to look after the car, take care of the car, to have the money. And accept it as a gift from the universe. Hope you've enjoyed this reading. I'd love to hear your thoughts on my interpretation of the cards. And would you like a reading? Anyways, leave everything in the comments below and I'll see you in the next video.